product, which is a salad. So I'm gonna buy the ingredients. So we have to buy one more ingredient, that which is yogurt. And I have lots of ingredients at my house. So let's go. So we're gonna go up at the second floor, so we could take our equipment. So let's go. Where do we buy and what equipment do we get? Let's go. Now we're gonna get this ingredient called yogurt, and we're making a fruit salad, and so we're finding the ingredients, and we have a lot of fruit at our house, so we'll manage to buy a yogurt. So now I found yogurt right over here. Up there. Strawberry, my flavor that I love. Let's go. So we bought these ingredients from the shopping, and we wanted to make the fruit salad, which is called fruit salad. So the ingredients is papaya, apple, banana, and yogurt. And this one mixing. Hi, now there's me again. So I'm gonna cut the bananas, but you have to be careful if you do it by yourself. Or you can ask your mom to help you to cut it. So here is my mom holding the camera. You can see? Say hi.
Hi.
So now, what I'm gonna do is to cut the banana first. So first, let me put the bananas. So first, I use the spoon to get how much is right there. Let's put them. Oh my gosh. I got more. I got lots of more. I could finish it. So I think that's enough. Now let's take some apples. Let's take some more apples. So now papayas. They match with yellows and orange. So now let's put the yogurt, I think. Wait, there's much apples. I'm just gonna put them away for a second. This much. And I'm gonna put the yogurt. So this is the this chamomile yogurt. Oh my gosh, this strawberry flavor. I want to finish all my thing. stuff, okay? This is our finished product. So let me try it. So first let me just fix it. Not bad. They taste really good. So now, let's try papaya and banana. So you can eat this salad in morning, afternoon, or night. So it can make you strong, so you can be able to not get caught by the COVID. You can use any fruits you want, or you can use any yogurt you want, or your favorite flavor you want. So I hope you like this product. So if you like this product, you can eat this along. So bye. Thank you.